Will you have to do a hard credit check when doing a loan application? Short answer, yes. However, I do have an option for a soft pull. I usually don't recommend it because we need that hard pull in order to get that full-on pre-qualification letter. But soft pulls are available. That way we can just kind of, take a look at your credit, see what the score might be, but just know in order to get a full-on loan pre-qualification for you to make offers on, go under contract and actually buy a house, we will have to do a hard credit pull. However, I want to debunk a few myths because a lot of people think that when we do a hard credit check, it takes like 20, 30 points or 50 points or whatever. No, I've been doing this over 10 years. I've never seen it take more than a few points away. And if it does, let's say you have been checking your credit more than usual, that's when the compounding effect can happen where it takes a little bit more. But it wouldn't be just that one individual hard inquiry enough to take the score way, way down. The other cool thing with mortgage specifically is because of the type of credit that you're requesting, credit scores are actually different based on what you're asking for. So when you look at your little app online, that's your standalone FICO score. That's going to be different than your mortgage credit score. We pull all three of the credit bureaus and we look at all three of those scores. And then we use the middle score to determine the loan eligibility. So that hard credit check, when they do that, if let's say that you shopped with 10 different mortgage companies over the course of 30 days. That's okay, because what the credit bureau does is they're going to go back in, they're going to see that all of those inquiries were all for mortgages, so they're not going to hurt you for that. They'll basically do a little sweep. They look back like every 6 months, they do a little sweep, and they lump them all in as one single inquiry so it doesn't negatively affect your credit. So yes, it is a hard pull, but it's not going to hurt your credit, so don't even worry about it. You got to get that house anyway. Let's make it happen.